exercise 6e, if neither a minus pi by 12 nor a minus 5 pi by 12 is an integral multiple of pi, prove that squat pi by 12 minus a plus tan pi by 12 plus a is equals to 4 cos 2a upon 1 minus sin 2a. So we are going to prove this one. So first of all, so what this says, that neither this nor this is an integral multiple of pi, is nothing but this is not the multiple of pi. So we take LHS and to prove RHS, first want to know what is the pi by 12, is nothing but 180 divided by 12 is nothing but 15 degree. You can remember this, pi by 12 means 15 degree. So what is LHS? Cot pi by 12 minus a plus tan pi by 12 plus a is equals to, so we substitute here, pi by 12 is nothing but 15 degree, cot 15 degree minus a plus tan 15 degree plus a. Now this cot can be written as cos by sin, cos 15 degree minus a divided by sin 15 degree minus a. Okay, we know that cot theta is equals to cos theta divided by sin theta, plus this tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, sin upon cos. Your angle is 15 degree plus a and 15 degree plus a. Now we can do cross multiplication, the cos into cos, sin into sin. So but here angles are different, so we don't write cos square, sin square, sin square. Okay, so cos 15 degree minus a into cos 15 degree plus a plus sin 15 degree minus a into sin 15 degree plus a. So we know that cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here sin 15 degree minus a into cos 15 degree plus a. So what can I use? Formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that can be written as cos a minus b. A minus b. What is the value of a? A is nothing but the first one. So 15 minus a minus this 15 plus a. Is it clear? So for defactorization formula, you want here 2. So multiply and divide by 2 this equation. So 1 by 2 into 2 sin 15 degree minus a into cos 15 degree plus a. The multiplying with this minus sign, what we get? Yes, cos 15 minus a minus 15 minus a divided by 1 by 2. So this 2 into sin c into cos, or we can write this sin a into cos b. What is the formula? So 2 sin a into cos b is sin a plus b, sin a plus b plus cos a minus b. So we substitute the value of a. Substitute the value of a here. Sorry, here sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So what is the value of a? A means 15 minus a and b means 15 plus a. A plus b means 15 minus a plus 15 plus a. Okay, here 15 minus a minus 15 plus a means minus 15 and minus a. So this 2 become numerator 2, this minus 15 plus 15 cancel, minus a cos minus 2a divided by 1 by, so sorry, this sine. So what is remaining? Minus a plus a cancel, this becomes sine 30 degree, 15 plus 15 plus sine, here 15 plus minus 15 cancel, minus a sine minus 2a. Is it clear? This 2 as it is, cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. So therefore cos minus 2a can be written as cos 2a divided by the sine 30 is 1 by 2. This sine minus theta is minus sine theta, so minus sine 2a. What do you want in the answer? 4 cos 2a divided by 1 minus 2 sine 2a. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 to the, here 4 cos 2a, here 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into sine 2a. So this 2 cancel, 4 cos 2a by 1 minus 2 sine 2a. So this is a required RHS, hence proved.